Hello, welcome back to Video Wizard. Black and white, how do we do it? I'm going to show you how, okay? So, we have our video in here, in our desktop, okay? You want to head over into effects. I've already got it up. But, what you want to do is you want to go into video effects, you go down to image control, and then you have all these great effects here, and you want to click, funnily enough, black and white, okay? Like any other effect, you drag and drop it onto your video, okay? Now, before you go, you can't change much of the black and white effect, at least not this one, but you can put a mask on it. So if you want to do that, press on your video, head up into effect controls, and then find black and white, and then you can just drop a mask on, okay? That is literally it. It's so simple. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great rest of your day.